Hi, my name is Lorelei Forseth, and I'm going to be explaining the U.S. jury system. Jury duty. A way for citizens to be involved with their justice system and to help better their community. But what is a jury? A jury is a group of registered voters, or U.S. citizens, who have been randomly selected and summoned to court to determine if someone is guilty or not guilty, liable or not liable. How does the process work? Well, you receive a letter in the mail requesting your presence at the court. If you do not want to go, you must write a letter to the court explaining why you were unable to attend. If this request is denied, you have to pay a fee between $200 to $1,000. If you do want to go for jury duty, you must then make your way to court on the designated date. You then are questioned to determine your ability in the court. This process is called voir dire. The attorneys and judge will then question to see if you are able to give an unbiased opinion, have suffered any trauma similar to this specific case, if you know anyone from the case, or if you are related to the case. If you fail this test, or if the judge and the attorney just don't want you there, then you will be dismissed. The remaining people will now be the new jurors for the case. For criminal trials, there are usually 12 jurors. For civil trials, there are usually 6 jurors at the least. Criminal trials is when someone is accused of crime that is harmful to a person and or the community and has a negative social impact. The jurors listen to the facts and evidence given in this case and are to make a unanimous decision saying that the accused is either guilty or innocent. However, if the defendant pleads guilty or negotiates the plea, the use for the jury decreases. The jury can still be used during the penalty phase. Then we have civil trials, when someone wrongs another and so they go to court to find a solution, usually dealing with lawsuits, copyright, divorce, money, non-criminal acts that have a low social impact. The jurors are to listen to the facts given in the case and are to make a unanimous decision, unless instructed otherwise, on if the defendant is responsible or not responsible. The judge and the jury. The judge finds the law that applies to that case and tells the jury to make their decision based off that law. The jury will then use the evidence and facts from the case and apply them to that law to find out if the defendant is innocent or guilty, liable or not liable. This decision-making process can be minutes long, or in some cases, it could take days to make this decision. The jury system contributes to the self-governing of America, gives citizens a chance to better their community, and allows for fair trials. If you receive a letter summoning you to court for jury duty, go do it, because it is a great opportunity for you and your community.